All right. What is linear search algorithm in arrays? Okay, friends, just look at me when I talk to you. The thing is, friends, what is algorithm? Okay, see, algorithm is nothing, right? It is basically the exact instructions how you are telling to the computer so that a computer can computer can perform a task for you. Okay, friends, so this is the meaning of algorithms. Okay, see, when I say algorithm, it is basically everything, right? So why we are studying data structures, right? So that we can write a good algorithm. Okay, and in the end, algorithm is only, you know what, used in the industry, right? Your Spotify songs recommendations, how it is coming because somebody, some computer engineer write the, some software engineer, somewhere sitting in the, Seattle, and what you call, somewhere in the world, he basically wrote the good algorithm. That's why only you are basically getting the good songs recommendations and all, right? YouTube recommendations and all, right? So how this is possible? So somebody wrote a good algorithm for that. Okay, and in order to write a good algorithm, you need a strong foundation on data structures. Okay, so friends, a very initial algorithm that everyone used to study is nothing but, friends, known as linear search algorithm. Okay, see, friends, linear search algorithm means, okay, question is very simple. I am having this array with me. Okay, I am having this array with me. It is consisting of what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 elements, right? Now my question is, you tell me 12 is present inside this array or not? The answer is yes, 12 is present inside this array. But how you will show me while coding? That is my question, right? So in what you call, in order to do that, so we will make use of linear search algorithm. Okay, linear search algorithm is very simple, right? What I will do is, in order to search 12 inside this array, I will do nothing. I will firstly declare one variable by the name of x, right? Declare and initialize with the value that I want to find. Okay, it is nothing but int x equal to 12. Okay, now what I will do is, I will traverse in this array. I will traverse in this array and I will try to find that element which I have declared over here in the top sixth line is existing inside the array or not. Okay, I will traverse in the array. I will go I will basically go to each and every element in an array, and I will find that, this particular number x equal to 12 is present inside this array or not. Okay, now I will basically, this line means for loop, which means that every element I am going inside this array. Okay, now inside this, I will not simply print, I will write the condition. Why condition? Because I want to find this number, no. So what I will do is, if array at particular index, and that index I don't know where it is present. Yeah, no doubt it is present at, zeroth index, but let's say if I don't know, right? So if array at index I equal to the value that we have declared, then what we will print? We will print that, yeah, we got the element, right? So friends, this is the meaning of linear search algorithm. Okay, and yeah, here I can write else also. Else means, if else, if means if the things are happening, then we got it. If else the things are not happening, true, right? But no need to worry, right? So what I will do is, I will not write else here. I will simply end my submission. I will end this code till if only, right? If I am finding the array, if I am finding the element that I have declared at a particular index, that index I don't know, then in that case, what I will print? I will print that, yeah, we got the element. Okay, so when I click on run here, so yeah, 12 is present inside this array. We got the element. Okay, friends. So, friends, this is a very initial algorithm that we are having in Java. Okay, and in any programming languages. Okay, see, friends, algorithm means precisely you have to tell to the computer, right? I have already said, right? Computer is the dumb machine. You have to say something. This software, wonderful software, Microsoft, Clipchamp. People used to do editing here, right? So who made it? Software engineers made it, right? So they are writing a good algorithm in order to maintain this software, in order to build this software up. Okay, so friends, that is why we study data structures. Okay, so that we can write a good algorithm so that a world can get benefit from that particular app and all, and so that we can earn money also. Okay friends, so I hope friends you got the explanation on linear search algorithm. Okay, in any programming language the concept is almost same only. Okay, so yeah, this is the meaning of linear search algorithm that we are having. Okay, and yeah, in future we will learn many algorithm, right? Like binary search, topological search, interpolation search, so many things will come. But friends, this is the initial algorithm, right? So you are required to know this algorithm in a more perfect way, then only we can learn higher things. No friends, so friends, I hope you got the explanation on linear search. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe button, and never miss any update from lethargic mathematician CSC lectures. Okay, so friends, this is your host Ashish, Falcon 227, ready to leave. Bye friends, take care, do this, write this code on your own, and see you in the next session. Bye friends.